And just to sort of explain to the audience, when we import an aircraft, let's take the Rafale or any other import, it does not come with completely no strings attached, right? It's not like I buy a mobile phone from a vendor and the mobile phone is actually a bad example, but let's take where the product is fully under my control, right? Therefore, building an indigenous version of it is very important in some way.
Yes, of course. You see, today, finally, it comes down to a weapons platform. So, if you look at the LCA or the Rafale, finally, it's a fighting platform. And unless you have the control of the software in terms of the mission computer, in terms of the flight control computer, right? How do you integrate new stuff? And when you have to go back to the OEM every time, there is a dependency. And today, given the kind of geopolitical situation, which can just flip overnight, there are no choices. We have gone through this phase. We were also manufacturing under license during the MiG days, but as we went ahead, we realized that these strings that you're talking about are very critical. You can't integrate anything new without those controls. So that's how the whole journey of indigenous aircraft has started. We have built the ALH, which is called the Dhruv. We have built the Prachand, which is the attack helicopter. We have built the LCA. Now we're building the light utility helicopter. All these aircraft, today, the kind of control that we have, we can change the software of the mission computer, of the flight control computer. That kind of control, when you want to integrate new weapons, it gives you a total strategic freedom. So I think that defines the strength of a country in the future. That how much of independence do you have if it comes to a crunch situation. We are seeing that even US NATO today, they are exchanging uh, unpleasantries, I would say, right? So if that's the kind of situation that can happen, then as a country and with our history, where we were under colonial rule for a long time, we were learned a very bitter lesson. So I think there are no two ways about it. We have to build our technology and we must have control of that.